Today I have this 8 by 14, they call it a pallet plaque. We picked it up at a wholesale place. We wanted to grab enough so we could share with you guys. So there will be a kit available. Do you remember the tablecloth that I grabbed at Christmas Tree Shop a couple weeks back? Well, they had new ones and they had different colors. I really love this blue pumpkin and some cranberries, and it was a little bit more pastel-y. So once you cut your piece, and you have to take the ply of the plastic backing off, you're going to take a foam brush and glue of your choice. We're using 1 hour enamel. You can use Mod Podge. And I'm starting by applying it to half of the tag. Then folding over, I'm going to apply to the second half, and just make sure you get as close to where you ended so you don't get a bubble in the center. And now I'm going to grab some saran wrap. This just helps as a barrier between my hand and the wet tablecloth. This is not necessary, but I'm using a brayer. I just want to make sure that I have attached and adhered every part of the paper to my project, and it does eliminate some of the wrinkles as well. And then I'm putting a second coat of the 1 hour enamel. This is too thick to tear while it's wet, so I waited till it was dry, and I took a piece of sandpaper and just grabbed the edges and removed the excess paper. Now this looked fine the way it was. I did try to remove the paper from the slats with sandpaper, and it did tear it, so don't do that. So then I grabbed a razor blade to remove the paper from the grates. But again, it looked fine with it untouched, but just showing you both options. And now I am adding back the hanger from the tag that I removed earlier. I decided to put a third coat of the 1 hour enamel, just to make sure my edges were all down, especially in those little slats. Once that dried, I took this Thankful Metal wording with some E6000 and attached it to my tag towards the upper part. I felt you could see it a little bit better up there against the lighter colors. Just using some baby wipes to clean up any of the overspilt glue. So I found this cranberry plaid ribbon, and I just cut out the tails on either side, took some jute and tied it in the center. No fancy bow needed. And I just glued it just under the hanger. I think this came out really cute. It was really easy to do. There was no paint required. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. And for our kit, chalkitupfancy.com. Thanks for watching.